Hi, I'm Justin Ball, founder of HammerHead, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to install our square dual shower head with adjustable shower arm and wall mount shower holder. Let's get into it. So this is quite the set. It gives you that remodeled quality shower without having a remodel, okay? It is going to require you to drill into your wall to mount the wall mount shower holder, so you will need some tools to get prepared for installation. So you can see here, I have a power drill and a Phillips head screw, 1/4 inch tile drill bit to drill into the wall, pencil to mark off some drill holes, some protection for your eyes, hammer to knock in the anchors into the wall, adjustable wrench. I have a little pipe brush to clean off the shower arm, paper towel to wipe that shower arm down. So everything else is in the box. Let's get into it. Okay, so let's open up the box here and you'll see what we have. Installation manual, pretty thorough, all the different steps, and also just highlighting what you need, like a 1/4 inch drill bit, tile drill bit if you're drilling tile like this. We got some extras and hardware in here, so got that. This is our square rain shower head, shower hoses in here. Here is the diverter, okay. The wall mount shower holder is right here, okay, with the bracket that will mount to the wall. Adjustable shower arm and the square hand shower. Okay, so we'll get started. First things first, let's take the old shower head off. Okay, so I'm gonna grab my adjustable wrench. Set that down. Gonna grab my pipe brush and just gently okay, with the old thread tape off, just wipe this down with the paper towel. Great. Okay. So next we'll open up this right here. And you have your thread tape right in here. And we'll open that up. And we're gonna wrap the shower arm with thread tape going clockwise. Smooth that out. And then we'll grab our diverter and make sure the washer is seated in there. And we'll hand tighten this on. Grab the adjustable wrench. Now that's lined up. Okay, so next step, I'm gonna get the adjustable shower arm installed here. Pull that out of this box. All right, and what I'm gonna do is just loosen up this right here, not too much, just enough to pull this out, and then just adjust it down like that so it's straight out. And what you'll see is the adjustable arm has 2 set screws. One locks it onto this so this doesn't turn after installing, and then this one locks onto the pipe so it doesn't move, okay? So just make sure they're in there. You know, if one happened to fall out, check in the box. And if not, we've got some extras in here with the hardware, so you have extra set screws, okay? So next, I'm going to wrap the diverter, just the front threads where the shower arm is gonna attach onto. Get a good seal on there. And just make sure, the washer is seated in here. Okay, and then I'm gonna take the adjustable wrench and I will just give this an extra turn. Okay, good. Now I'll take the included hex wrench and on the set screws here, I'll just tighten these down all the way. Now I'll do the same thing on this side. I'll just loosen this up and pull this out and just move it straight down so it's facing towards me. And then I'll just tighten this back down. Just make sure the gears are lined up. You don't want any gap in between these two sections. Otherwise, that means you're not gonna get a seal and there can be a leak. So when you're adjusting this, right, okay, make sure that this isn't loose like this. You want this pushed in all the way, and then you can tighten it back down. Okay, so the next step is wrapping this with thread tape before we install the shower head. There is extra thread tape in the box if needed. Good. Now I will take the rain shower head out. And again, make sure the washer's seated in there. And then I'll just go ahead and hand tighten this onto the end of the shower arm. Make sure you don't rotate that part, and I'll just take the adjustable wrench onto the flats here. And just give it an extra turn, not over tightened. All right. And there we go. Just get this lined up nicely. Okay. So now what I'll do is I'm just gonna adjust this down a bit, I think right there. Good. And I'm gonna adjust this by pulling that out and adjust it up like this. So I'm gonna get a overhead rain. Okay. Just gonna give this a little extra turn. Okay, so next we'll work on getting the wall mount holder installed. Take another hex wrench, that's the 2.5 millimeter hex wrench, and we'll just back this set screw out so that this brass adapter comes out, okay? Now, you'll want to find a placement on the wall where the handheld will be within close arm's reach to whoever's using the shower the most, okay? So I actually have this already hooked up in this shower, and I have it right here on the wall, which is just above the shower valve. It's about 54 inches to the middle, okay? So that's about 4.5 feet right there. So what you'll do is just find your place, mark where you want to put it, okay? I want to have it on the towards the outside of the shower, or you can put it towards the inside of the shower, whatever you would like to do. And then just place it on the wall with your pencil, mark the 2 drill bit holes, and then grab yourself your 1/4 inch drill bit and drill out these holes. You'll be using the hardware included, so you have 2 wall anchors and 2 screws. If for some reason you have a vinyl shower surround or some other shower wall that doesn't accommodate this setup, then you'll want to use custom hardware to mount this. With the holes drilled out in the wall, again, making sure you're using a custom tile drill bit, you'll go ahead and pound the anchors in, get them nice and flush to the wall, and then we'll just go ahead and screw the bracket in. Takes a little extra work, but this lasts. It's not like adhesive and suction cups that fall off the wall eventually. So now we'll grab the wall mount holder and the hex wrench. Okay, we'll just get that started on there. Okay. And we will nice and tight on the wall. There it is, mounted. Good okay, so next, final steps here. We will grab the shower hose. All right. And one end attaches to the bottom of the diverter. Okay, this is the hex nut side. Okay, so just make sure the washer is seated in there. Okay, there it is. Give it a little extra. And then we have the conical nut side that will sit right in the holder here, okay? We'll grab the shower head out. And there you go, square handheld shower head. Grab this, just make sure the washer is seated in there. Thread that down all the way. There we go. Make sure that's nicely in the shower. Okay. This does have a PEX inner tubing, so once you get warm water running through it, it'll help straighten it all out and it'll sit nice and flush. All right, so now that we have it all installed, let's run some water through it and test for leaks. All right, so we have the handheld shower head side. As long as the hose is seated nicely with the washer in there, should be no leaks at all. That's good to go. And this is securely on the wall. Give that a good test. Okay. Reach up here, and we'll adjust the diverter. And then from here, we'll look, see if there's any leaks. Again, if there are any leaks, you know, shut off the water, double check, make sure the washer is seated in there. There's plenty of thread tape, and make sure you didn't damage the washer by over tightening. Same thing goes for this joint right here, this joint right here, and this joint right here. So we have a leak-free installation. And then finally, if you would like to adjust the height of the shower arm, again, you'll just come over to this notch, hold the arm here, loosen this up a bit, and you're just gonna wiggle this out a little bit. So you have a gap here, and then you can bring that on up to the height that you want and tighten it back down. Right about there. And now you have a much higher shower head height. So if you want to raise the height, you can. Overhead, you can even lower it all the way. Thank you for joining me. I hope that installation video helped you out at home. I'm Justin Ball, the shower head guy, signing out for now.